Okay, so basically we have like a big pot and we're putting a bunch of clothes hangers all. I promise I'm not fake newsing right now. Okay, so now we have like a nice garlic. We're chopping up some onion. I can't chop up onion. It's not for me. Because like every time I chop up onion,
Yes.
I just like think about my ex-girlfriend. It makes me cry.
Only because this.
Yeah, no, not because of the onion has any like power over me. It's more about my
Of
ex-girlfriend.
course.
Okay, so now we have this like little. Oh my god, what are we doing? That looks scary.
What's happened actually? Can I hear the whole story about your ex?
No, no,
And
I don't
the
want to
onion
cry
connection.
again. Oh
Okay.
yeah, she just used to make a lot of onions for me.
Okay.
She used to like it was her hobby. She liked chopping up onions a lot.
Gotcha.
Every time I think about that.
Oh. Remove onion from the screen, please.
Guys, do you like onion? Let me know in the comments. And do you also connect them to the loss of your ex-girlfriend from your life?
I think you're really special, dude.
Thank you. I try. Okay, so now we have some almonds. And we're like putting them in hot water. And that makes the skin fall off, I believe. Was I right?
Yes.
I was right.
Yes, you're right.
It's not often I'm right, so when I am, it just feels really good. It's like I'm proving my first grade teacher, Mrs. Larson, wrong about the fact that I'm gonna succeed in life.
Oh boy.
What's up, Mrs. Larson?
You're right.
Look where I am now.
He's famous.
Famous. Okay, so now we have some garlic, and that would smell like crap though. Like, honestly,
Yes.
if you just put garlic in your freaking microwave,
Yes.
first of all, no more vampires in the house, okay?
Yes.
If they were there, they're not there anymore. But your house smells like garlic, and you need to evacuate and move town.
Nobody will be in your house.
No.
Vampires,
If you want to
people-
bring any babes back to your crib, garlic in the... So my buddy sent me this video and said it was the craziest kitchen hacks he had ever seen in his life. Let's see if it's true. Okay, so we have an egg on a pan. Now we're whisking it around. That's
What is
crazy.
flint?
That's crazy. So we're whisking it around, and now we have the yolk in the middle. How are we gonna cook it though?
Whoa.
It's on top of the stove. Okay.
I don't know.
What are you laughing at? Archie?
Nothing,
Dude,
nothing.
like, leave me alone. I'm just trying to vibe here. Okay, so basically we have like a big pot, and we're putting a bunch of clothes hangers all over it.
That's kind of smart.
Ew. Okay, so we have this like really cool spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
All right, nylon sock around there. And what does it do? Oh, it allows you to like sift it better. That's pretty cool.
Another bottle cup.
Ah.
So you can use your bottle to.
That's pretty cool because I always think like, what do I do with these bottles? Like, I don't want to just like put them back into the environment, but then like, what do? This is what you do. You just watch 5-minute crafts.
Exactly.
What is your favorite kitchen hack?
What is my favorite one? Wow, it's very complicated. Complicated, really. You know, I saw a lot of kitchen hacks, and now I'm like blind.
So you have way too many kitchen hacks in your brain that you just don't have a favorite,
yes.
basically. Guys, let us know what is your favorite kitchen hack.
Yeah. When I'll remember, I'll let you know what is
Okay.
my favorite one. Really, I'm like, I know a lot, and at the moment, I don't know nothing. I know nothing.
Ah, don't
I
worry,
remember.
dude. I know like very little, so. Okay, so we're squeezing a lime with the tongs.
Yeah.
One way not to do that. It's so funny, like, how do I get a girl? Well, there's a lot of ways not to get a girl, and like, you're doing all of those.
Why?
Okay, so now we have a
it-
fish.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, maybe you're a babe magnet. I don't know. Yeah, I could be wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let us know.
So now we have this fish, and we just descaled it. And now we have this weird fruit that I've never seen before, and for some reason we're...
I don't know. What is this fruit?
Oh my gosh, is that garlic?
Is it garlic? No, I think it's something tasty.
Okay. Garlic's
What
tasty,
do you
it just
think?
smells like crap.
I actually like garlic. Like sometimes I can eat it. You know.
But like if
With
you're
the
about
bread.
to if you're about to smooch a babe and she has like garlic breath, does that not like
Shit. No, of course.
okay.
that's only days where we're far from each other. Then I can eat garlic.
You have like a restraining order on garlic days.
Yes.
Guys, would you smooch your dream girl if she had garlic all over her teeth? If her teeth were replaced with garlic? Let me know down below.
Interesting question.
I only ask the most profound of questions. Like, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Let me know down below. Okay, whoa. That was pretty cool.
Okay. It was easy to cut your.
Now we have a pineapple. Okay. What is he doing to that penny apple? Okay, so he's cutting this. But the middle's the worst part. Why do I want the middle? The middle has the part that you can't eat. Yeah.
I like the middle part.
Huh?
Yeah,
Like, that seems like a better idea to me.
I agree with you. But what if you don't have enough power to squeeze
Spoon
it well?
chopsticks. Oh, okay, they're egg holders. So we have.
That was smart, actually.
I like this.
Yeah.
Another way
You
to
don't
do
need
it.
a spoon. You just take it like so.
My favorite kitchen
Yes.
hack is when you take your ice cream and it's too frozen, so
Yes.
you put it inside the microwave to like kind of heat it up a little bit so that it melts and like you can eat it easier. Or you can put your spoon not in the microwave because that's bad news, but if you put it over the stove, then you can heat up the spoon and then or put it in a hot cup of water
Okay.
and then it just slides right through the frozen ice cream.
Yeah. But for how long it will be, to make it?
You might have to dip, scoop, dip, scoop, dip, scoop all the
Yeah.
time.
For me, it's a bunch of work. I wouldn't do it myself.
Okay.
I would crack this ice partly, but I wouldn't add some extra mileage to
All right.
eating.
So you're just trying to say I'm not good at like scooping ice cream. Fine. All right. So we have sour
that's
cream with pepper, and now we're opening a lid. There's so much happening all at once. It's crazy.
Excuse me, why?
This is one of the craziest videos I've ever seen. I think.
Really?
Maybe.
Wow, lucky you.
I don't know. I saw the Hunger Games like 50 times, and that was pretty crazy too. Okay, so we're having like different vegetables, like all up inside this. It looks like tapas, like Spanish tapas, where they have like
Okay.
a million different little dishes for you to try.
Ah, okay, it's actually
Oh.
nice.
Whoa.
Buy me dinner first.
Oh, dinner's expensive these days. I don't know if I would. Okay, so we have this like gross eel thing.
Yeah. Ooh.
What is?
Dang.
What is that?
I know what you're talking about. It's kind of, but it's tasty.
Yeah, but like you can't
It is.
consume it. Your teeth can't bite through it.
It depends from how fresh it is.
Okay, well,
I mean,
you must have the freshest things in the world.
leave me alone with my middle part of the.
Okay. So now we have some cherries, and we're just popping those through. We have some corn. Ooh. I don't know why, but corn kind of reminds me of the same. It has the same look as like a honeycomb,
Okay.
like where the bees make the honey.
Merrily.
If it's all together,
Yes.
you understand the connection I'm making there. So now we have a tangerine, and we're just injecting it with what?
Why?
Botox? To make more tangerine? Is it steroids to make it have muscles? I don't know. It's stressing me out. I've actually used this before. They have a specific gadget to use to do that as well.
Yeah.
And it's pretty useless, actually.
We tried it together with the Clint.
Yes. Where is he, by the way?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm actually missing him out.
That's nice. Okay, so now I have some potato peeling, and it's time to end the reaction video now.
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
And here's the chicken.
That's so nasty. What is that? Okay, so I have this cool fish thing without a head that's pretty scary. And she has no problem just ruining that fish.
Yeah.
She's a dangerous woman. Watch out for the fish lady. She scares me. Alright. Can we not do this? Okay, how to crack a coconut.
Yes.
You know,
Easy
there's
way.
like more people that die from being having a coconut dropped on their head than from being attacked by sharks per year.
Seriously? Is it true fact?
It's a true fact, yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
best friend.
Is it
No, I'm
true
just
or
kidding.
no?
He's still around.
I need to Google it.
Okay, you Google it for us.
Yes, you Google it.